if I gain weight after fat freezing? Will the treatment be wasted?
This is not true because a lot of us really do not know that after the age of 5, we can no longer form new fat cells. Okay, just like after the age of 18 or 21, we can no longer grow taller. The body does not have the potential to form new fat cells anymore. So what happens is that if you were to lose that fat, and you remember what we had shown you earlier, if you lose that fat, the physical number of fat cells actually decrease. And therefore, wherever you lose forever.
Are there any other non-invasive treatments that reduce fat? What about HIFU? Is it just as effective?
HIFU is actually an acronym. High Intensity Focused Ultrasound. So it uses sound energy, like hello, hello, in order to get fat reduction. But how does sound reduce fat? So what happens with HIFU is that we use sound energy, much like the energy which is used to do an ultrasound of internal organs, but focus really, really intensely to a specific spot to cause destruction of fat. And the additional benefit of that is it can also be focused onto the skin to cause skin tightening after weight loss. So it's really a two-in-one kind of device. So I think it's really, really good as well.
How do I decide which fat reduction treatment is suitable for me?
It's best to really find out a little bit more about what you or your body actually needs to look at your best, be it weight reduction, fat reduction, or skin tightening. You know, people who have already a good body contour would just require a little bit of weight loss. Some people are really, really slim, but they just have a problematic area, and then I think in that case, probably body contouring methods through fat reduction is really, really good. Or lastly, if you have lost a lot of weight recently, or you just had pregnant and lost quite a bit of weight, and if you have a little bit of saggy skin, maybe a little skin tightening would be the best.
Thank you, Dr. Tan, for the detailed sharing. So, how many sessions do we need to see visible skin tightening results?
The number of sessions that you need is really dependent upon the machine that's used, how much skin laxity there is. But in general, people probably need around 3 sessions or so. Maybe some people with just a little bit of loose skin using a really powerful machine, you can just use it once. People with a lot of skin laxity might even require surgery. So that's really, really variable.
What should we do about the excess sagging skin after a successful weight loss and fat removal procedure?
While that's a very common concern, it is not actually very common after weight loss and fat reduction, because the skin has intrinsic elastic capability, so it actually shrinks around a smaller circumference after weight loss. So that's not that common, but obviously if you do lose a lot of weight, let's say after pregnancy or after excessive weight loss, of course sometimes saggy skin can be a problem. For these cases, of course, once again, surgery will be the best answer. But once again, not many people really want to go for surgery. Not many people want to have downtime, and obviously not many people want to have a surgical scar. So that's where non-invasive skin tightening procedures come about. So the buzzword right now, and what most people are talking about when it comes to skin tightening would be HIFU. So what doctors do would be that they use a machine to focus ultrasound to 3 different levels: 4.5 millimeters, 3 millimeters, and 1.5 millimeters. So at different levels, the ultrasound will be focused in small little points in order to achieve tightening. Another pretty popular procedure right now would be the use of lasers for skin tightening. But right now, quite a few doctors use tight lace, which is using different lasers in order to cause tightening. Typically 2 lasers will be used. One laser penetrates a little bit deeper in order to cause tightening over the deeper layers of that skin, whereas the other laser tightens in a more superficial manner. Just like HIFU, tightening at different levels achieves better results. And a third pretty popular procedure would be to use radio frequency. So radio frequency is also very, very popular. For clinics with more than one machine, it's even better. So you can actually use 2 applicators at the same time. So you actually finish the fat freezing, or rather the cryolipolysis procedure, through Celtic cool sculpting even faster.
It is great to know that we have so many non-invasive options available to create a better physique. Thank you, Dr. Tan, for sharing your expertise with us.
No problem, Sydney. I'm always very happy to share our new techniques in fat reduction and weight management. So I'm always very excited to share. So thanks for asking me to be here, and thank you for your time. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.